Welcome back, you guys. We are just at the most incredible campsite. We got the cabin situated on this beautiful lake, deep in the woods, in the North Shore region of Minnesota. We've been here all week. We started at a campsite right on the Canadian border. Then we moved here, and we've been here now for, I guess this is our third day. Just starting things off by whipping up some breakfast here. Then today's a shower day, so we're gonna go set up our shower, take some showers, and then we're gonna head to Grand Portage, right on the border with Canada. There's an amazing waterfall there, some other stuff we're gonna check out. All right, check it out.
This is my breakfast. Some trail mix. I don't know, I just like usually a quick light breakfast, and that's still healthy, so a little bag of trail mix is perfect.
We are running our generator because we have to recharge our batteries inside the cabin, our power station, but also we use air conditioning because little Olivia can't regulate her body temperature yet, and so we got to keep it nice and cool in there. It's kind of a bummer hearing the engine running sometimes, but we don't use it all day, and it's just, you know, what you got to do when you have a newborn. It's a very small price to pay for having her out here with us. All right, so we're gonna set our kit on the ground here and hang our water heater right here. And then the shower head itself clips up here, and this is your shower area. You'll have full on-demand hot water with this bad boy. And honestly, we kind of have unlimited water with the lake, so this is a real treat.
All right,
All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
Mommy gets a shower. There's a little bit of luxury out here, right? There she goes. Yeah.
That was incredible.
It felt good?
Oh my gosh.
Hot water?
I really take hot water for granted. Like, that was incredible.
It feels good, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's my turn. Now I have to fill up the water jug, which means I'm probably gonna get eaten alive while I do it. Oh my gosh. Oh, they got my butt! Oh. High up. Holy cow!
Whoa!
Look at that. This is amazing. And if you look ahead, you can see those mountains in the background there. Oh, this is a scenic overlook. We're gonna pull over here.
We are basically at the Canadian border.
Holy cow, right? This is incredible.
We did not know about this.
No.
Something grand to see.
Holy cow, we are high up. Wow. What a gem we stumbled upon.
Oh, that was so incredible.
So we're actually going to venture a little closer to the border. I have to imagine there's a place where they let you turn around if you're not trying to go.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like we're going to get detained.
Yeah.
Silly.
Oh no, we're going to have to turn around here.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Wow. We made it all the way to the Canadian border.
We did. Yeah, so look, there's the Welcome to Minnesota sign right there. There's the border right there. That's the border crossing. Here's Grand Portage State Park. So this must be where the waterfall is. All right, we're on our way to the falls.
Yay! Excited. Olivia's awake. Smell.
The pines.
Oh, it's the best.
It smells so good.
Mm.
You're starting to hear some moving water.
But Ellie's like, I want to go in.
I know, she wants to swim so bad. No, Elle. One, two, three. All right, we got her. On to the falls. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Wow. So we just realized that all on the other side of the falls is Canada. That's Canadian territory.
Which is crazy.
Yeah, so I was just saying it's funny, the people sitting over on that side, they're in Canada right now.
Yeah. That guy over there is in Canada.
Yep. Pretty cool.
It's a waterfall. It's a big waterfall.
She's so mesmerized.
Such a sweetheart. So after seeing the waterfalls, we tried to see if there was anywhere to eat, and we weren't able to find anything. So we're just heading back to the cabin, which I'm excited for.
I think you said you're gonna go kayaking, right?
Oh yeah, at sunset.
Yeah.
Ooh, you guys, check this out. We're driving through an old growth forest. What that means is these are really, really old trees. Now what's great is that it says over 185 years old. This sign was probably made like, I don't know, it could have been made 40 years ago. So these could be well over 200 years old, these trees here, which is really, really cool. This one's really big over here. You gonna get out?
I just want to touch it.
Okay. Give it a hug. Be a tree hugger. There you go.
Wow, this is so incredible.
Home. Sweet home. Gotta start up the generator, unfortunately. Ooh. She just kicked on all by herself. That's pretty good.
All right, you guys, so now that we are back at the cabin, I'm gonna share today's sponsor with you. This right here is Dara from FitTrack. This scale is great because it really helps you track your fitness journey. During my pregnancy, I was feeling pretty sick most of it, so I wasn't really able to work out very much, and I didn't feel great to work out. Like, I just felt sick all the time. Now, I'm starting this new fitness journey, and I'm really excited. It connects to an app on your phone via Bluetooth. Then it uses a VIA to measure your body composition, and the result is detailed metrics on your overall health. So here's how it works. You simply open the app on your phone, step onto the scale, wait for it to do the body scan, and then your weight and all of the other metrics show up. And it's super easy to understand because it's all right here in the app. Each time you do this, the app logs that data to track your progress. It's really helping me a lot, and it's encouraging me to work towards that fitness journey.
If you want to give Dara a try, it's 30% off on the website. But if you use my code, you'll get an extra 20% off.
I definitely recommend this scale to get you motivated and move through those obstacles that you want to overcome.
Seriously, does it get any better than this? I don't think so. Tonight's our last night. And it's funny, you know, having been out here for about a week at this point, you know, it's not that long, but it's long enough to really get used to it in a good way. I love it. I love being out of service. I love not being able to be reached or be able to reach out to people unless I choose, you know? Like if we go into town. I love looking at views like this. I love spending time with my family, my dog. It's just the best. It really is. It's amazing, isn't it? How there's just an island this close to shore. I think the reason you see so many islands in the lakes up here is due to volcanic activity in the past. But I could be wrong. Take a look at this hill off to the left. You can tell it's like a pretty steep hill because the trees, you can see we've got some pretty old trees as well. So for a second I thought this was another island because it almost looks like the water wraps around it on the right side there. But that's the shoreline, and it looks like the lake comes to an end. Now that we're close to shore, the mosquitoes have found us again. Let's get out of here. All right, so I've got a bit of a cooking challenge tonight. We were gonna make burritos because I've cooked up earlier, all of this ground turkey meat. Problem is, we don't have any tortillas. So, you could either do, you know, taco, burrito bowls, or you could utilize these tortilla chips that I have and make nachos. However, I'm gonna have to make these nachos over our stove. And so that's the challenge. So here's what I'm planning to do. I'm gonna fry all of our goodies up in a frying pan on the stove. Then I'm gonna use this bigger pot to layer the chips, goodies, cover it on low heat, and see if we can melt the cheese and make some nachos. Oh yeah. All right, that's looking good to me. And if the cheese is that melted on the top, I have to imagine all the layers are melted perfectly.
Ooh, a lot of hot sauce.
A lot of hot sauce?
I need the salt. Is there salt in there?
Drink it! Oh no!
It's okay. It's okay.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
The waterfall.
The waterfall?
The waterfall was my favorite part. Just going on that hike as a family. It was also a first for Olivia too.
I love just being out here. It's just so peaceful. Like to have a cabin that we're able to just park next to a lake, and then we can pack it up and take it somewhere new, you know?
Let's ask Olivia what her favorite part was.
Olivia, what's your favorite part? The big waterfall.
The big waterfall.
Oh.
That's gonna do it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you missed the other episodes, go back and check them out. They were really great. We did one on the Canadian border where we hiked to a lost plane crash. Then we did another one at the site there where we did some other hikes and some mountain biking and just some fishing and other fun things like that. So go back and check those out. All right, that's gonna do it. We will see you on the next one.